So one of the things that you can actually do using VLC Media Player is capture out your screen as well. So to do that, you need to go to the media menu, and then what you need to do is go ahead over here onto open capture device. Then what you can do is you can go around onto capture mode and then choose desktop right here. Choose the frame per second that you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say 30, let's say, for example, and then click on play. Once you do that, you can see that it actually goes ahead and starts recording out the screen right here. But I haven't started recording right here, so I need to go ahead over here onto, let's say, for example, onto view, and then go to advanced record, and then start recording using the record button. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead right here now, and then I'm going to record my activity. So I'm just going to go around and press the record button right here, just like this. And now it starts recording whatever is happening on my screen. So you can see that I am just going around and making changes right here, just like this. And then let's say building this out and so forth right here, just like this. So this is what you have. Now everything that is being done is being recorded. So I can go ahead now and click on the record button once more so that it stops recording. So now in order to access out this video clip that has been recorded, you can go around over here onto your computer right here, and then go ahead over here onto videos folder. Then you can see this particular video right here. Let me just go ahead right here and load it off right here, just like this. Play as is, and then you got the recorded video right here, just like this, as you can see. So whatever I did, you can see that this is a video clip that has been recorded right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and then utilize the screen recording feature inside of VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.